Today we are doing lesson 33, 34. This is the one. Okay, Jera, you say that you didn't try that yet. This one is important and easy to score one, so you must go and do it. So try to do it. Huh? Ivan, eh? How about Ivan? Okay, so I depend on both of you for your responses. If you all want to unmute yourself, can also
What?
respond through that. No, I say you can
What?
respond through here, but cannot make a lot of noise.
Respond for what?
Question when I ask all this one.
Oh, where's the others?
Oh, all Okay, Jera also try to, okay?
Bye-bye.
Right. So the table show the favorite games played by who? 3 groups of children. You have P, Q, and R in a game room. So how many children chosen the carom as their favorite game? Now, carom is here, right? So, and then he's asking you for how many children. That means they're asking you for the total number. So if you were to add this up, you should get 24, right? 10 plus 8 plus 6. Do you get 24? Have or not? How sure did you all print out or you all do it on the piece of paper? Check your answer against that. Okay. Oh, okay. Who is texting me? Let me check. Yes, thank you so much. Let me, Hao Xuan. You get, that means you didn't attempt all so those who have not attempted one, I want you to respond here, okay? All right, can you unmute yourself?
Sure.
Jera also, because you didn't do, so you must respond through here. How many
How come?
children in
I
queue?
did.
So let's take.
What?
So in group Q, right? He wanted Q. Then he wanted chess. So chess is here.
Okay.
So he's asking you technically if you if you talk what you're unmuted so you cannot talk nonsense already. Okay, so now he's talking about group Q, which is here, and then he wanted the chess, so I put chess here. Okay, under this column, not this, sorry, this column here. Okay, and then the question here is, you know this, right? The Q has how many? So how many as their favorite game?
A lot.
How are you going to do this? How lot lah? The total is 50, what? The chess, don't know. So what must you do now? Gerard, do you know what to do now? What add? Add which one? Any idea? Because the total is 50. So you must have the 10 plus a question mark plus 13 equals to 50, right now? So you must use the 50 to minus away the 10 and minus away the 13. Jera, what do you think your answer will be for here? So minusing, what do you get? Any idea? What is 50 minus 10, then minus another 13?
50 minus 10, 40,
Yeah.
then 0, 0, then change to 9, 6.
What is your answer, Jera? Minusing already? Do you use this one to minus or not? The working? Use 50 minus 10. Do you get 40?
Yes.
You use 40 to minus 13. Okay. Regroup. You get 7. You get 27. Okay. All right. Next question. Next question is for both of you. The bar graph shows the number of skirts at Alice's shop. So in November, Alice sold how many times? As many skirts as in October. So he's now talking about October and November. So for this one, you can see that this is 20 in November. This is 60. So November is how many times of it? Ivan, what's your answer?
My answer is 3 times.
Thank you. Why 3 times? Because 60 can divide by 20 and give you 3 because 20, 20, 20, right? Then the next question. Each skirt was sold for $70. So that is the price for each skirt. And he wants to see which one is the most number of skirts sold. So the most number of skirts is on which month? September, right? So September, how many skirts are there? 90. So 90 skirts multiplied by $70. You see, what is 9 times 7? Jira, what is 9 times 7?
Times 7.
Ivan cannot say. List down your 9 times table. So what is 9 times 7? So you have to start memorizing your timetable for your Jera. Okay, Ivan, can you help, please? I know you wanted to try earlier on. So Ivan, what is 9 times 7? Ivan?
Wait, I know.
Oh, you know. Okay. How much?
63.
Yeah, great job. 63. And then you got 20 behind. 6,300. Okay. Next question. A fruit seller display the same number of each type of fruits for sale every morning, okay, in a week lah. So they have Monday to Saturday for this. Okay. So there are 6 days in total. She charted each type of fruits that is left unsold at the end of the week. Which one is the most popular? Okay, remember this is called left. So what do you choose? Can you write your answer in the chat function? Let's try. This is 3A. Can you tell me which one is the most popular fruits? Thank you, Ivan. Yes. How about Jera? Jera says, okay, Jera, you must check something. This one is left unsold. So if he left with so much, wow, that's quite a lot. Okay, I read. You see, this is what it left. Compared to this one left with only little. Which one has sell better? Right. The least number of fruits left is the fruit that they sell the most. Logic, right? Okay. So A. Because left unsold is 27 only compared to the rest. So they have sold the most. Okay. Question 3B. So if she has so much fruits in the beginning, how many did he sell in the week? So what must you do for here? What must you do? You must go and find out how many fruits are left, total fruits are left, then use the number of fruits at first in the beginning to minus the one that is being left there. So this is sold. Let's try left first. Okay, fruits left unsold. How to find the unsold one? Here given what? 27 plus 95, 55 plus 74. So if you add them up manually, you will get down to 27 plus 95 plus 55 plus 74 equals to 251. So unsold is 251. That means fruits sold in the week will be 939 minus 251. You should get down to 688. Okay? Gerald, can you understand this or not? Do you know why do you need to use 939 to minus 251? But in the first place, how I get 200? Why I must find my 251?
Plus.
Any idea? Because we have to find the unsold one here. Because from here, you will have the number of the fruits that's left there. Okay? So far, can or not? Can I? Hao Xuan, are you okay? What happened? Hao Xuan? Are you following me? Let me check in with you for a while. Let me find out. Okay. Okay, thank you. Number 4. The line graph shows the concert tickets sold from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. What is the difference between the highest and also the lowest number of tickets sold from Tuesday to Saturday? So for the highest concert, the highest one is 4,500. That is for Tuesday. Okay. Then how about Saturday here? Saturday, if you look at it, okay, what do you get for Saturday is only 2,500. If you wanted the difference, So you just minus.